Clickable one.
Hello there, YouTube, and Tyler here. My name is Tyler, and it is very nice to see all of you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Might not be the best edited video you've seen, but this is a very important one. I want to talk to you a little bit today, and please let me know either in the comment section or on Twitter if the actual if the screen is recording, because I am a blind YouTuber, so this is key. I am a blind YouTuber, and that means I can't see little things like video quality. So I will try my best to explain my issue. If I want to schedule a video, and I've read through all of your documentation on scheduling videos, and it's great. I don't mind. Thanks for having all the content. But I think we run into a snag, or maybe I do, when it comes to scheduling a video that is already up on YouTube, like set to private, but trying to reschedule the time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my studio, and I'm going to demo the issue I'm running into, and then explain to you what I'm finding, what issue I'm running into. It seems like it's a circle, and I kind of am curious your thoughts on the subject. So let's begin, shall we? Let's Control Tab over. Let's actually make sure that the screen's still recording.
www.panopto.com is sharing your screen and audio.
Okay, cool.
Panopto.
All right, let's Control Tab over to the studio.
Messenger, Google, schedule video, publish time, YouTube help document, channel dashboard, YouTube studio document.
There we go.
Here's your.
Let's refresh this. Control R.
Button, get started. Here's your chance to help make YouTube better for creators.
Yeah, okay. All right, I believe it's refreshed. So what we're going to do is we're going to open content.
Clickable get started button. Dismiss button. Previous button unavailable. Next button. Banner landmark expand menu button. Refresh button. Frame not VID search button.
K actually.
Navigation getting description. Graphic content button.
K is for me, that is how I navigate my links, okay? So I'm going to go to K, and I'm going to click enter. We're going to ignore that. There we
retry
go.
Button.
What?
Blank. Button retry. Inaccurate. Inaccurate. Button retry.
What? Oh, well, we have another issue.
Navigation link bullet. Visited link button. Graphic getting descript. Visited link button content. Visited link button. Graphic getting.
Okay.
Main landmark channel content.
Okay, weird. That was odd. That was unplanned. So we're gonna go and hit Shift E for my sake.
No previous edit. Clickable video list table.
Or, excuse me, E, because there is no previous edit field.
Main
and now I'm going to drop down into private.
Dialog. Visibility not.
Or visibility. Click it.
Space. Public. Check private. Checkbox not checked. 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 Apply button.
So I hit the letter B to apply it. Click enter.
Main landmark. Video list table.
Full disclosure, the screen reader I'm using is known as Non-Visual Desktop Access, or NVDA. A link to their download page, if you want to replicate what I'm doing here, will be in the description of the video. So we're going to get out of this edit box so that I can navigate freely. And here we are. So H for heading.
Row 1 video, column 2 video head.
Keep
Date getting views, comments, call, likes. Row 3 money in the row 2 Tuesday, July 20th, 2021, 7:40.
All right, so this is just basically a putz video. I'll clean it up later and upload it. So I'm gonna click enter on it.
Out of table, clickable button unavailable.
There we go. Okay, so it doesn't tell me that it clicked enter on it, but I just assume that it did. All right, so I have vidIQ on here to get all my statistics and data and jazz. So a lot of this stuff, it may look a little different than on yours, but we're gonna look for, it's a button, and we're gonna look for the edit. It's some sort of edit button. So let's hit the letter B until I find the word edit.
Save button. Getting to show let clickable insert key click mute button settings full copy notice clickable edit video visibility status.
Edit video visibility status. Now this is where it gets good. So edit video visibility status is what I want. So click.
Select video privacy.
Select video privacy. Popped up a little dialog box. I want to schedule it. Set to private at the moment.
Clickable radio button check private.
See, it says right there, radio button check private. So I want to schedule. So tab.
Save or publish private radio. Getting to script. Getting to schedule radio button not checked 2 of 2.
Okay, schedule radio button not checked 2 of 2. I don't know what the first the first checkbox is. It just says radio button. It's the second radio button in a list, and it doesn't allow me arrowing up. Doesn't allow me to see what the first one is. Anyway, so we're gonna select it. Okay, spacebar.
Space. Checked.
Now, it did something. It pulled up. It pulled. So now I have to.
Radio button check schedule. Clickable July 21st.
All right. So now it pulls up the date and time. I don't want July 21st. I want to schedule it for today. So I'm going to click enter on July 21st, hopefully be allowed to change it.
Dialog. Edit July 2021, comma, 21, comma.
So today is
1.
the 20th.
Dash, 0.
20th. Okay. Now. Oops.
Edit button previous month.
See? Oh, whoops.
Edit July 20th.
My bad. I'm losing my mind. All right. So there's July 20th. So I'm going to click enter. Because if I let's hit tab first and find out what happens.
0. Previous month button previous. Next month. Edit enter July 20th, 2020.
So it says previous month and next month. Because apparently I think there's also an edit. There's also a select box, which I don't mind. In fact, I like it. But I have it set for July 20th. So let's click enter and find out if we can move to the time. Because time should be another pop-up, all right? So let's click enter.
Button edit video visibility status.
And it shoots me back to the edit video visibility status button. So then we have to go.
Button edit video visibility.
Let's go back in here and maybe it saved it, right?
Select video privacy dialog. Private. Getting. Schedule radio button not checked.
So let's go back to the schedule.
Space. Checked. Clickable July 21st.
No, it didn't. It didn't save it. It didn't allow me to select my time. It wouldn't allow me to select. It didn't save the date I wanted. So what would happen if I actually go by time and say I want an 8 a.m. or a 9 a.m. video upload?
Graphic getting clickable 12 a.m.
So let's click space on that.
Dialog. 1:45 a.m. not select.
Let's actually try something. So let's try. We've never done this. So let's try
0.
Oh.
9. 9, 0 a.m.
9 a.m.
0 a.m. Button edit video private. Button edit video visibility status.
Again, it shoots me back here. So, and then if we look at your, if we dig up your advice on your website, let's
Panopto Doc
head over
Messenger
there
Google
to
Chrome.
that.
Schedule video publish time YouTube.
There we go. Schedule video publish time. Here's your help article.
No. Schedule a video to publish later heading level 2. To schedule a video's publication time, you have to first set the video as scheduled or private.
Okay, and I assume that because I set it to private, so I assume that's correct.
On the upload page.
Okay. I always set them to, I have that set as a default.
List with 6 items, 1 sign into.
Okay, we're not going through that.
Edit scheduled publication time heading.
Edit scheduled publication time. This is where I need questions.
You can change the scheduled publish time or publish the video right away. List with 3 items, 1 sign into. Visit link YouTube Studio.
Okay, sign into YouTube Studio. Already did.
2 from the left menu. Select content.
All right, select content. I showed you that.
3. Select the drop down on the video you want to edit in the visibility column.
Okay. It's a drop down button. It's more of a, so that's doable.
List with 2 items bullet. To change the scheduled publish time, make sure the visibility is private. Choose the new time.
Which it is.
Under schedule, then schedule.
So the
Bullet. To publish the video immediately, set the
so
visibility.
wait. So there's a is it a schedule button that I have to click? I guess I'm a little confused. I guess I'm just a little confused. But I hope we can have a dialogue about this, just to truly understand, to see what are we, like, what we're talking about here. Weird.
Video details YouTube Studio document.
All right, let's try this.
Private. Button edit video visibility status. Restrictions. Clickable button edit.
Edit.
Select video. Graphics. Click button graphic getting description. Button rate graphic radio button unavailable done. Button unavailable. Radio button not checked schedule.
Radio button not checked.
Clickable graphic getting description. Checkbox unavailable not checked set as instant for radio button not checked schedule. Checked. Clickable July 21st. Graphic getting clickable 12 a.m. Graphic button time zone. Graphic getting video is private before publish. Checkbox not checked set as premiere. Graphic getting button done.
Oh wait a minute. Okay. So if we can crack this top part. So wait.
Graphic button time zone. 12 a.m.
So let's see if we can just putz with this for a minute.
Dialogue. 12:30 a.m. Not.
I want to set it to. We're gonna arrow down to
5:30 a.m. Not.
Flip.
7:30 a.m. 8:15 a.m. Not selected. 34 of 96.
So I'm gonna select 8:15 because that's what it tells me to do. So select
Space. Button edit video visit restrictions.
Okay, so that. So as a keyboard user, unless it, this is all I can really show you at the moment. Unless it just sits there and goes, you know what, we're just gonna. Unless you have to use a mouse to hit the done button, there's no way to do it with a keyboard. I would love to have a conversation with somebody about this. And I appreciate your time, and thank you so much. So let me
Panopto desktop content. Button stop.
I will thank you so much for watching.
1307. Button stop.
And have a wonderful day.